Do you think we are doing the right thing? Do you think your people will ever accept me?
I would be crazy to say they would. Especially after my father gets to know about the crazy stunt I pulled today. Yes. You see, he would rather have my head. But no matter how difficult this thing will go, I want to promise you that I'll always be there for you. Okay? I promise you we're going to fight our way through this, and I pray we win. Okay?
I love you.
I love you more. I love you so much. I love you. Love you.